Hi and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to scale an object in Photopea, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening your object in Photopea. On the right-hand side, make sure to select the object layer you want to resize. Click on the layer to confirm it's selected. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, choose Free Transform or use the shortcut Alt-Control-T to enable the Free Transform mode. Step 2. Once you've activated Free Transform, a border with squares will appear around your object. Hover over any of these squares and your cursor will change to an arrow. To resize, click and drag one of the corners to adjust the object while maintaining its aspect ratio. If you want to stretch or compress the object, hold Shift while dragging. Step 3. Another method to resize is through the Image menu. Click on Image, then select Image Size. In the dialog box, uncheck the Constrain Proportions option if you need to adjust the width and height separately. Enter the desired dimensions, then click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.